Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change address in AnyDesk. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to www.anydesk.com and you'll be greeted by a screen where you just need to go and download the AnyDesk application. Of course, after that, you can just go and log in to the your profile or register to AnyDesk. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the news, favorites, recent session, discovered, and invitations. And in the top right corner, we have these three dots where you have the other options, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change address in AnyDesk. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the top right corner and click on these four lines of course again. And when they pop up, you have the settings option, set password, address book, session recordings, change license key, help, about AnyDesk, and exit option. Of course, now let's see how you can change the address. Well, you just need to go to the address book and you'll have all the addresses. You can choose an address book, add an entry, change everything as you can see here. So you can really do it fast. It is pretty easy. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.